Hello, let's start with the next section, Probabilistic Reasoning for Sequential Data. In this section, we are going to learn how to build sequence learning models. We will learn how to handle time series data in Pandas. We will understand how to slice time series data and perform various operations on it, and discuss how to extract various stats from the time series data on a rolling basis. We will learn about hidden Markov models, and then implement a system to build these models. We will understand how to use conditional random fields to analyze sequences of alphabets. Finally, we will analyze stock markets data using the techniques learned so far. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with understanding sequential data. In this video, we are going to understand the importance of a sequential data and time series. We are then going to install the packages that are required to work on the data. Sequential data refers to data where the ordering is important. Time series data is a particular manifestation of sequential data. It is basically time-stamped values obtained from any data source such as sensors, microphones, stock markets, and so on. Time series data has a lot of important characteristics that need to be modeled in order to effectively analyze the data. The measurements that we encounter in time series data are taken at regular time intervals and correspond to predetermined parameters. These measurements are arranged on a timeline for storage, and the order of their appearance is very important. We use this order to extract patterns from the data. Time series data analysis is used extensively in financial analysis, sensor data analysis, speech recognition, economics, weather forecasting, manufacturing, and many more. We will explore a variety of scenarios where we encounter time series data and see how we can build a solution. We will be using a library called Pandas to handle all the time series related operations. We will also use a couple of other useful packages like HMMLearn and PyStruct during this section. Make sure you install them before you proceed. You can install them by running a few commands. First, we will install Pandas. Type pip install pandas. It is already installed on my system. Next, type pip install HMMLearn. You can see it is being installed. The next command is pip install PyStruct. The installation starts for that. When this is done, finally install CVX-OPT. If you get an error when installing CVX-OPT, you will find further instructions at this link. Follow the steps and you will surely overcome the error. Now that you have successfully installed the packages, let's go ahead to the next video.